Enjoy this vlog. Stay tuned with us. Bye. So this is Abu Dhabi Sea World. So this is the Sea World. So we are in Abu Dhabi Sea World, Yas Island today, and we're gonna go inside this and explore how it is. This is the world's largest indoor marine life theme park in Abu Dhabi, and we're gonna go inside now. It's look like this from inside. So we have to go up to get the ticket. Tia?
What?
It look like this here. Yes, I'm coming. So from here you will get the tickets. So from inside it looks like this. Welcome to your one ocean adventure. So this is a place from where you get the ticket, and one ticket is 375 dirham, and you can see how beautiful entrance is this. Yeah, I'm coming.
Girl, I go so slow nowadays.
So from here you can get the ticket.
And it
Tickets.
looks like we are in the middle of the desert, but it's actually just a screen.
Yeah. So from here you will go inside.
And
So
then
we are already in here. That map, I think you can take the map from here. Yeah. Oh, wow.
you can touch.
Yeah, you can. I guess.
Yeah, but
How it is? Cold?
animals
These are the. See, Tia? These are the starfish.
Can I touch them? Can I touch the starfish?
You can put your hand only.
I can touch the animals.
Yes, you can touch the animals.
But the animals are so far away.
Yeah.
Why are they swimming there?
I
Break it here.
I don't know, but
How close? You can even touch the surface. By putting your hand down.
Like that? How is it? Feel like eating?
not eating.
Fish.
Do Papa, touch. How it feels?
It's like raw.
Huh?
Feels like rock.
Yeah, it's
Is
hard.
it? It's hard. Yeah.
Yeah. Come, let's go.
Trying to come here.
Oh, you can go and touch other animals that side.
Yeah, come, come,
Later
come.
we'll come back here.
Okay, come, come.
We'll even come back.
So it's just the. Which side we should go? Excuse me, which we go? This one? Okay. Come. Wow. So here you can even touch the animals. If you can. Tia, just try. Can you touch this fishy?
I can.
They are running.
Don't make big moves.
See, Ria Mama? Wow. So the specialty of this is you can even touch the animals if they will come near to you.
No, we'll go to the other side. There's less people over there. Huh?
Wow, touch here, Baba. Can you? Oh, this one, this Tia, here. Touch this one. Touch this one.
But I'm scared.
Touch this one. But only touch, huh? Don't trouble. Touch.
No, I don't want to touch.
Now you don't want to.
The big one is coming.
Ooh. Touch.
You touch money.
So you can touch the animals here. I
You
will.
touch.
My watch will go na. Wait.
You do the other hand.
Can you put her on the belly?
Do it.
Can you put her on the belly?
This looks so amazing and nice. Yeah, they put hidden treasure. Come, let's go to this one. Straight. Then we will move this side. Tia, you enjoy? Yes or no? Yeah, wow. One ocean. So we're gonna enter in this one now. Wow.
Look at the camera.
Oh my god, Tia, look at here.
Put it down, yeah.
Tia. Oh, you can see.
What is that?
See now, what is it?
Yeah, I can see from here. Coming.
Eating what? Eating. See? Eating cabbage or what? What is that?
That's cabbage.
No, looking like cabbage only, no?
It is cabbage.
Oh, wow.
Like wow.
Be there, be there.
What is that?
So nice. It's so amazing to see these beautiful creatures over here. This is an amazing place and you must come here to visit. Sorry, to visit SeaWorld Abu Dhabi. So now we are going to the other side to explore. Ooh, wow! Look at this, Tia. Abu Dhabi Ocean. This is a 360. I think what we say, what we called it, 360 image picture view. Wow. So nice. Wow. So this is a 360 view from this place. I will show you. Very nice. So guys, if you get time to come to here in Abu Dhabi,
नीचे करो ना कैमरा
see, wait.
नीचे
And this is, I don't know, maybe they do something here. Yeah.
Come, we'll go inside.
Wow. Very nice. Tia. So this is a place where you will see a 360 view of all the sea creatures here. Very nice. So they have different section over here. Polar ocean. From here we entered, and then frozen treats, and then micro ocean is here, then endless ocean is here, then tropical ocean is here, and then Rocky Point is here. So Tia wants where to go?
Polar ocean.
Okay, so let's explore polar ocean first
It's
here.
gonna be so cool. I think we're gonna see like fish or sharks which are from the North Pole.
Okay, let's explore. Move then, move towards it. Wow, amazing. So this is one epic ocean show time, 11:30 a.m. to 1:30 a.m. What is the time right now? Come. So we are going inside the polar
We will see
ocean.
penguins.
Yeah, come. We're gonna sit now. Where is the show? But we don't know. We have to see. Where is it?
We're going to see penguins.
Yeah. Come this side.
Look!
Okay.
I saw that scene in one of my books.
Really?
Yeah.
So this also has different sections.
Mom,
We're gonna go here.
Mom, can we go to this one first?
Here?
Penguin one.
Okay.
Let's go to the penguin one and see penguins. I think we're gonna see penguins.
It is cold here. Move, Tia. One at a time. Yeah, that's why I told you wear warm clothes. Ooh, it's so freezing cold over here.
Oh my god, I
Oh
can't.
my god. It's so cold. Wow. Where is Tia? Ooh, you can see so many penguins over here. Wow. Tia, can you see?
There's so many penguins.
Yeah.
I want to touch one.
Yeah.
Look down. See? A penguin.
Wow. This one is swimming like anything. See? He's enjoying.
He's taking a bath.
But it's freezing cold here.
It's coming, 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 coming,
Come,
coming.
come,
Look at them.
Oh my god, he's splashing water on me.
Look at that, you Papa. Wow. But it's very cold here.
Wait, what?
So damn cold here. Ooh. It is very cold. Come this side. There is something.
Oh, that's what you are.
Ooh, it's very cold here. Wow.
Nothing same thing. Go inside. But there is good.
Oh my god. So nice. Lovely. What you are doing? Hey! He's so cute. Tia, come here, Tia. Tia, come see.
Oh, he's so cute.
See, she's looking for you.
She's so cute. She looks so cute.
Nice. Wow. Very nice place. Very nice. See. How they're walking. So this is a very nice place, and if you really come here, come. Oh my God. So nice and beautiful. And the best part is you are feeling so cold here, so cold. You can see so many penguins are there. Wow. So this is a very nice place, and if you really come here, come. Oh my God. So nice and beautiful. And the best part is you are feeling so cold here, so cold. You can see so many penguins are there. Wow.
What happened?
Tia, are you feeling cold here?
I am feeling.
See, my breath is coming.
Oh
I feel like I'm in Iceland.
Antarctica. Let's come to
my
Antarctica circle.
God.
Come.
But it's really freezing
should come
cold
here.
over here. Tia, wait, what are you doing?
I mean,
Ooh, let's go from here. It's freezing cold. What's the size of a penguin egg? So you can see here, it's freezing cold.
look how big.
Inside
Science lab.
it looks like this.
Mama looks like a science lab.
Science lab.
Yeah.
Oh my God, I don't know where we are going. Now we're gonna enter in this tropical ocean.
It was so cold in there, guys.
Let's explore this now. Wait.
Much more better.
Oh, now at least you feeling little warm. Where are you going down? No, 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 don't go there. We are not going down now. This, we gonna move that side, Tia Papa, come. Come.
Oh no, it's not.
Wow, Tia, see? They make tropical amphitheater here. Right. See this one?
Where are you going?
Wow. No, I'm just...
That's where the dolphin show is.
No, 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 not here.
Behind it.
Let's explore this now.
What is
We gonna go and
What is
explore
there? Let's see.
inside this tropical forest what they made. Come here. Oh. Wow. They made everything here so nicely. Okay, so this side you can find some restaurant over there. People are eating food. Here you can explore. Oh, so here you can see flamingo. So nice and beautiful. Wow. Tia. Say hi. Wow. How long their legs are.
Okay.
Yes, Vidya.
Flamingo.
Flamingo.
You like it?
Nice. What they are eating? What is inside? Looking like
Their food.
yeah, their food, but like what
Why
they
weird?
why they are looking weird, Tia?
They have duckling legs. And their legs are so
They are
weird.
very strong. See,
Yeah.
you can stand for hours.
See this one? Only standing in one.
That's how they stand.
See this one. Standing on 1 feet.
This is how they stand. See?
1 foot. Standing on 1 foot. Wow. Look at this straight one. See? Oh my god.
So you will move.
Huh. Nice.
They're like flamingo.
Chalo, let's move, Tia, now. Okay, so we had some
Endless
food
ocean.
and now we are going, we don't know where, but maybe endless ocean. Yeah. And here you are your guide, so you have to take the template and see where you are going. Now we gonna go in this endless ocean and let's explore how it is. Where is Tia Papa? Okay. Yes. So this is the entrance of endless ocean and we're gonna see what is here actually. Which side we should go? Okay.
This side, this way,
This way, this way.
Oh God.
Baby is crying. Tia, look here. Are you enjoying? Yes or no?
But my legs are painful.
Yeah, of course. When you come in such place, you have to walk.
Oh my
So
God.
this is endless ocean. Yeah. Have to go here.
Nice to look at those people. They're diving inside.
Yeah.
What is there inside?
Nothing. These divers are there.
Where is tea?
Here, this is a big screen from where you can get the ocean view,
Yeah.
and we will go down. This big screen ocean you will get in endless ocean section, and from here I guess you can see down.
Going up. Scary
So
times.
this is endless ocean
Come
screen.
here. Turn around.
I'm just so scared.
So this is endless ocean screen where you can see everything inside this ocean, and even you can see the other screen where the people are there
Leave now.
Like, give it up.
and see them. Wow. You must explore and see how big screen is this. Oh my god. Something so amazing. Ooh. See this.
Come here, come.
Wow. Tia, see.
Only come. Monica,
Yeah.
do you?
Ani ipaman isip sa kumat
Can't see.
Come here.
Pangwanan na. Panakatin sa sukan tayo. Panatan.
Wow. Amazing. You can see each and every aquatic animal over here. Screen is oval shape, so you can see this is not the glass. The glass is like oval shape. As my husband is moving the camera, so you can see that there is nothing over here. This is nothing, no glass. This is oval shape. The camera can go till there. You see
Sometimes
how
I feel
amazing
like-
is this?
Sometimes I feel like one time when I just said my husband, I was like, there's no glass, and then he get up to here, there's glass.
Yeah, it
And
is
I'm
a
like,
oval
are you
shape.
serious right now?
Yeah. It is an
But how
oval
did
shaped
they shape
glass.
it like this? Mama, you have to say it in the English accent.
Yeah. So this is something very nice. Yes.
Look at that.
Yeah.
Really?
Ooh, so you can see different kinds of fishes over here and experience
Look, I
this.
know big thing
My God. Where?
Here.
I I cannot see. My God, how beautiful it's looking. Wow.
Hi, Chrissy. He is with me.
Amazing.
Where did we get this?
If you really want to see
He's
different
smiling at me.
fishes or marine life, you come visit this place. Must visit place.
Before
They have these kind of section over here where you can see the beauty of marine life. Look at this, so beautiful.
Don't move.
Wait, can I take a picture of this?
No, leave it.
Nice. Wow. Look at this. How good it is. Tia, look here. Tia, look up. Oh, but be careful, huh? You can see here is a cave inside the endless ocean.
Come here.
What?
Come here.
Come here quickly.
Oh my God. Oh my God. What is this, Riya Baba?
Like this.
Is this eel? Are you sure?
That is a eel.
They want to, I think.
They're hiding, I guess. They're touching. Looking very scary. Oh God.
You were right. Water is green. Hey, not steel, not green.
It totally depends on the background. Water is transparent, the water don't color. See, small notes are all it's opening.
Here is
Blah,
the
blah, blah, blah,
lobster.
blah, blah.
Yeah? Yeah.
Can you please help me? Help. No.
Are they talking or are they fighting, Tia?
Foot, come. It looks so beautiful.
Oh, Tia, look at this. So many lobsters are there. You see?
Those are their house.
They are hiding themselves here.
Look at the sharks. Hi, Sharky. Please don't hit us down again.
This is a cave inside the endless ocean, and this is so dark. So it's so dark here. Oh my God, see this screen. So huge.